Stop. If you own a local business, pause this video and go check your phone right now. Look at this Google business profile right here. Look at the services tab. Plumbing, they provide general plumbing services. Drain services are available. Who wrote that? The owner didn't write that. A human didn't write that. Those little link icons, that's Google citing its own sources. It's scraping the entire internet, your website, reviews, Yelp, socials, whatever, and it's deciding what you do. This is the smoking gun. Google has stopped trusting the data that you type into the Google Business Dashboard. It's now generating a business identity based on whatever it finds. Before we go any further, I want to give everybody a little bit of a reality check on how we found these new knowledge graphs. Just because you see a 3-pack on your mobile device does not mean at all somebody else is not seeing that. Don't listen to the guy that's got a device farm or anything. Over 50% of home service-based businesses, more different verticals like plumbing, Google is only sending one business. That's it. The map pack is 50% dead. What I'm about to show you is not SEO, it's AI infrastructure. When you build what I'm about to show you, you aren't an SEO guy or gal, you're an architect. Because when you build an asset that feeds Google's agentic search directly, when you build a pipeline that steals leads before they even click a website, you aren't an expense anymore. You're an asset and you're worth 10 times your monthly retainer. All right, you want to know what winning looks like in 2026? It's right here. This profile for Rollo's HVAC. They don't just have a services tab, they also have a repair cost. These numbers are not coming in from the Google business profile. They're not manually entered, and Google's not guessing. Google understands the very structure of the service and everything about the price. This is what happens when Google can answer every single pricing question without hesitation. Google does it for you, which brings me into the next. This is where it gets real. Isn't the FAQ. This is not a chat bot, and this definitely isn't their website. Google's AI is answering questions about the business on the business's behalf. They have literally fine-tuned an AI agent to your business. Now, the pricing tab was the royal flush. This next feature is a full house. Look at this section, updates from Ronaldo's HVAC. Look at the source. It says Facebook a week ago, YouTube. Google stopped waiting for you to post Google updates, actively monitoring your Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, pulling content that reformats it and serves it in Google. Here's a feature that should scare just about any business owner. Know before you go. Look at these bullet points, same-day service. Tech updates, tech photos. Where did Google get that? That's not a button you click in the dashboard. I told you that Google is watching your Facebook. Well, it's watching your camera roll too. Look at the video section. These aren't videos uploaded to Google Maps. The source says, look, Instagram, YouTube. Google is terrified of Gen Z searching on TikTok instead of Google. This is the TikTok defense. If you aren't creating vertical video content, you are leaving prime real estate empty, and you need to be creating that content so Google can steal it. I know that sounds crazy, but you need to shift into a different mindset. Exact knowledge graphs that they're going to send someone that types in plumber near me or keyword plus whatever. You need to make it a conversion machine. We got to get last year out of your head here, 2025 gone. You are no longer using your website for clicks and traffic. It is primary database for Google's AI agents. And that's it. In stock. There are two fundamental truths that we are going to take advantage of. Number one, it is scared to be wrong. Operate on a confidence score, and if your pricing is hidden or if it's too deep in your website on some subpage, the AI has to guess its confidence score drop. If that score dips below a certain threshold, you will simply just not be recommended anymore by Google ever. Number two, AI agents are lazy. We'll call this compute cost. Google renders these local business recommendations in real time, in real milliseconds. So when you click check prices, they're going to get the live real data. The AI doesn't have time in the budget to go on a scavenger hunt through all your drop-down menus. Most local businesses' websites are a maze. Home services, residential plumbing, repair, that's a death sentence. If pricing, services, or availability are buried in 3, 4, 5 clicks, the AI will never see them. It times out before it gets there. 0 to 1 click, period. This is the rule. Say this clearly to your developer. Pricing, services, service area, 1 click, every single page. The solution. This is what we do. By putting the links in your main navigation or in a fat footer, you are serving the data on a silver platter. You're making it super easy for a lazy AI agent to be right. And when you make an AI agent feel safe, it rewards you. Now I'm going to show you guys something in real time here. We're going to grab the quality air conditioning. Take a look at this. You don't need to be a coder to look at this, and it just looks like shit. How do you think an AI agent is going to parse this? Look at this. Elementor, element. Look, it never stops either. And then Nitro Booster. It's like this on the entire thing. Make sure the important pages don't look like this. That is what we call div soup. So to find your price tag of $150 for a service call, you got to go through 5,000 lines of code. It's like finding a needle in a haystack. And it burns through your token budgets like a mug. This is the part that absolutely terrifies me for you service-based businesses, because I've worked with a lot of you. Google Duplex, they have a AI agent that's so good at talking, you cannot tell the difference. They do the ums and the and they're super fucking fast. If you do not give them prices on your phone, over the phone, like result, the AI will mark you as price unknown or high friction, and you're removed from the recommendation. You didn't just lose a customer, you lost a ranking signal, so you lost a ton of customers. What we want to do, the phone rings, you want to train whoever answers the phone exactly what to say. And this takes us to the last step, our blueprint. Highly important. Do not use some bullshit plugin. This is the super schema. You want to have this. There's 3 main sections that are vital to Google's AI agent. Remember, they're lazy. For one, offer catalog. Most people just put like price range. That's weak. We use offer catalog, and we list every service as an item with a specific price specification. We are explicitly feeding the AI database. Drain cleaning equals $150. No guessing, right? Number 2, geo circle. This is like geofencing, right? Look at the radius line. Geo radius 40,000. We're not saying Austin or some city. We're mathematically defining a 40,000 meter circle around the shop. That if a user is inside that circle, the AI knows mathematically and with 100% certainty, we will service them. Number 3, the has credential. This is the trust block. We insert the state licensing number. They will cross-reference your license number across all government documents and databases. This proves we're not a lead gen spammer, that we are a real licensed. Comment for both the schema and the SOP. In 2026, when a homeowner has water pouring out their ceiling at 2 a.m., they aren't squinting on their phone typing, emergency water heater repair near me. They're doing one of 2 things. They're either 1, talking on their phone, voice search, or 2, they're taking a picture of the problem. And if your infrastructure isn't built for cameras and microphones, you're invisible to the fastest growing segment in search. We've got the greatest live stream in 3 days, Monday, 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. There will be no recordings. If you buy it, you can't make it. Yes, of course, you'll get a recording, but that's it. We're not going to sell any recordings at all, ever. We're going to go over the shoulder, no bullshit. We're going to build the agentic layer that makes traditional local SEO obsolete. The software that we recommend here is also open source. It's free. I was just talking to somebody yesterday that paid $400 a month to like Service Titan or something. $400 a month for one person, so he could get the Google Reserve. I show you how to do that for free. For free in this. That's a lot. That alone is worth $47. Okay. I do want to point out, if you did buy the upsell, which was like the slides and the SOPs and stuff, the upsell is like the SOPs, the slides, that will be made available Monday. It's not in there. What's in there now is just freebies. I was going to put in a tactic where basically you could hijack an AI overview and force a call button inside of the AI overviews. And Google's kind of changed that up with the new action cards. But I found a workaround. I'll make sure that's uploaded by tomorrow morning, Saturday morning. The Discord, if you are in the Apex, you have access to the highest level of this Discord for the entire year. I'll make sure I'll drop the link below. I didn't do that in my last video. My apologies. Also, everything that I show you, if I give you an SOP, if I give away a tool in a video, it will be here in the Discord, always, whether I say it or not. This is not a bullshit server Discord. This is an operations hub for people building real leverage in local search, and that is the real deal. Holyfield. Ended up being way more work than I anticipated, but we're doing something a little bit different, and I think it's fucking awesome.